نعمل الحين صوتي تمام.
Okay guys, as some of you asked the question on how to make a truth table by working at the logic expression. So you can see on your screen, I'm using an Excel file and there is a logic expression written on the screen. Now I will develop the truth table from this logic expression, and it will be step by step. So I'm recording the session so that you can watch it anytime. So as you can see here, there are three inputs, X, Y, and Z. These are the three inputs. And what is the output? Output is F. F is the output. So what can I do? I can simply write the input column, which are X, Y, and Z, and the output is F. Okay, I will make a kind of a box. All right, so this is my input. These three columns are my input. Okay, output maybe I can put it in a different color, and this is my output column. Okay, I'm making it in different color. Now to write the three input, I told you you can the Z column you can fill like this, alternate zeros and ones. Okay, first of all we need to have how many? 2 to the power 3. What is 2 to the power 3, guys?
0 0 0 0.
Correct. 2 to the power 3 is 8 because we have three inputs. So 2 to the power 3 is 8. So we have 8 possible input combinations. So you should count that you do not make more than 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So
That's all the combinations.
yeah. For the second column, for second input column to fill out, you can write 00 and then 2 times 1, 2 times 0. For the last one, 4 zeros, 4 ones. So these are the three possible input combinations I have written here. Now I need to write the output. But before I should write the output, my function looks complex. Okay, it says first I have to do X multiply Y and then I have to do the inverse. So what can I do? I can make any number of additional columns. Okay, for example, I can make additional columns here. Okay. Okay, here if I I can put X dot Y here. If you want, I can also put X dot Y inverse, but I can make more additional columns. Okay, so X dot Y means I need to multiply here X input and Y input. Okay, so for the first it should be 0, second 0, third 0, fourth 0. It will be all 0 except the last two. Do you understand? Everybody agree with this column?
Yes, I agree.
Okay. Now X dot Y,
okay.
I need X dot Y whole inverse. So what I will do, I will write here X dot Y whole inverse like this. I will write this column like this. Okay. I'm just, this is what I need according to the expression. Okay. So what I will do, I will just inverse this in this
Ones
column.
to zeros.
So if it is 0, it will become 1. For all zeros, it will become 1. For all ones, it will become 0. Okay, so I have solved this part of the logic expression X dot Y whole inverse. Now I need Z inverse. So I can make one more column for that. I also already have Z input here, but I need Z inverse. So I will just name it Z inverse.
So
Okay, here what I will do, whatever
1 0 1 0
Z
1
is
0.
here, it will become opposite here. So it will become like this. Everybody, what I did, this Z column here, I just inverted it here. So where it was 0, it became 1. Where it was 1, it became 0. Agree up to this point?
Okay, sir.
Guys, agree up to this point? Okay. Now, these are the exactly two functions which are mentioned in the expression. Okay, they are exactly in the same shape, x dot y whole inverse and z inverse. So the same is mentioned here. Okay, what I need to do with two of them, I need to just add them. Okay, so addition, so 1 plus 1 answer will be 1. 1 plus 0 answer is 1. 1 plus 1 1. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 1 again 1. Here also 1. 0 plus 1 again 1. The last row is 0 plus 0, which is 0. So that's how I have made my truth table. Okay, what you can do now, you can hide these three columns, and this is your final truth table. Okay, but if you cannot do it directly, obviously no one can do it directly because this is a complex function. So you can do it, you can do it on Excel sheet, you can do it on paper. Okay, so you can make extra columns here as I did, like this, and you can do all this. But we don't need actually these three columns. What we need only the inputs and output. That's the truth table is. Okay, but for working you can make extra columns for your help to work out the intermediate stages. These are the intermediate stages. Okay, so x dot y is being multiplied with, then it is being inversed, then z input is being inversed. So you can make additional column for each one of this stage. Okay, and at the last step, when you have to add this thing and this thing together, then you can do it here in these two columns, and you can find out the final answer. So I hope this is clear now.
Okay, teacher.
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, so I have recorded the session, so you can refer to it again. You can watch this recorded video. Okay,
Okay, teacher.
thank you.
Sir,
Hello?